Are you Princess Paris?
No.
What are you then?
Auntie.
Ate! Josh, are you Ate Paris?
Yes.
Would you like a brother or a sister? Would you like a brother or a sister? Brother or sister?
Are you shy?
Kiss na lang baby in the tummy na. Shush, kiss the baby in the tummy. Say, I love you. I love you. Ayush! Thank you.
From Ate. Ako isa kasi. Ikaw na naman. That's right. Salamat.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Sunday everyone. Today is the 27th of December and it's currently 12:47 ng hapon. We're on our way to Chadstone Shopping Center kasi I'm going to see my optometrist again. I went there I think a week ago just to get like, you know, my eye check a little bit to book an appointment, and the lady said I need to go back for more tests with my eyes because it looks like my right eye is getting bad. And normally, sabi niya na 2 years daw yung prescription, yung eye prescription, yung validity. And alam nyo guys, kaninang umaga, I was feeling sick again. I was vomiting and oh, my morning sickness is seriously unreal in this pregnancy. I feel so tired and yeah, just suka lang ng suka guys. Like, oh, yeah, it makes me really tired. Anyways, but I have to do my eyes guys because it's very important na updated ang ating eyes kasi ito siya, iba na yung grado ng aking mata ngayon. So, obviously, I need new pairs of glasses. And wanna say hi na? Say hi, tita.
Hi, Tita.
Hi, tito.
Hi, Tita.
What are you eating? Gonna show them what you're eating?
Like Papa.
Rice bubbles? Shush, shush. Ito pala yung dress na binigay sa kanya ng kanyang... Who gave this to you, na?
Lola.
Lola? Lola?
Ha?
Karen?
Ha?
Careful, nak. Ay, pagtulot-tulot, nak. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna make a move now, guys. Because yung appointment ko pala is 1:20. And we have to drive there. Are you ready, Daddy?
I'm ready to roll.
Okay. Alright, let's go, sweetheart.
Now watching. Now
Do
wondering.
you wanna stay here? Mommy and Daddy leave now. Bye-bye. So guys, finally nakahanap kami ng park. Sobrang busy talaga guys. Like nilibot namin lahat ang space ng parking dito sa Chadstone. Walang maparkingan. Anyways, it's now 1:30. At late na ako sa ating appointment kasi yung appointment ko is 1:20. Anyways, what can you do, right? Like, there's no parking. So there's no other way around it. Ang ating baby girl ay nagsusuking na oh. Nak. Where's Daddy? Kasi gusto na siyang lumabas, guys. Anyways, we'll see you inside, guys. Oh, they took down the Christmas tree already. Where are you going now? I'm going down. Hi guys, time check tayo. It's now 4 o'clock ng hapon. And nandito pa rin kami sa shopping center guys. Kasi alam nyo kanina diba, we got here, anong oras ba yun? 1:40 ata. Tapos yung appointment ko for 1:20. So sobrang late ko. Ngayon, they needed to reschedule my appointment. And sabi nila, the only slot that they have is 4:40 ng hapon. Kaya, that's why guys, paano na lang kami dito, paikot-ikot na lang kami dito sa shops. Gustong-gusto na nga ni Daddy Mike na umuwi. And yeah, but it's only 40 minutes now and we'll be done. Si Daddy Mike pumunta lang ng toilet, guys. Sobrang busy ng shopping center, guys. Tingnan niyo. Lalo na sa ilalim. Saan, ha? Sobrang daming tao. Ayan. No wonder, yung parking sobrang hirap hanapin kanina. Tapos ang ating baby girl ay nandiyan. Nanonood. Hi guys! Time check lang tayo. It's now 7:44 ng gabi. And pasensya na ngayon lang tayo nakapag-vlog ulit. Kasi pagdating namin kanina guys, nag-start kaming maglinis agad ni Daddy Mike. Kasi you know na it's been few days na busy tayo. Always tayong nasa labas ng bahay and kaya yung bahay natin is super messy. So we've done a bit of a clean. And I finished the yung shower, bathroom, toilet, tapos Daddy Mike sa kitchen. Marami pa rin kaming kailangan gawin guys, especially yung beauty room ko. Oh my God, you won't believe it. Sobrang parang binagyuhan siya. Kaya that's something that we are going to do tomorrow kasi Monday bukas wala pa rin tayong work. Thanks Lord. So yan yung agenda natin para bukas guys. Linis-linis pag may time. And yung mga labahin naman natin guys sa ating washing machine, hindi natin mailabas-labas kasi it's been raining today. Sobrang mahangin at malakas yung ulan. Yeah, by the way guys, so hindi ko pala na-mention, today is 27th of December and it's my mom's birthday. It's her 54th birthday. And yeah, again, I am, I'm sad that I'm not there, but that's life, right? What can you do? Ganyan na talaga kapag, anong tawag dito, pag adulting ka na, malayo ka na sa pamilya mo, may sarili ka ng family and all. But anyways, I still wanted to make it special for my mom. Naiwala kasi nung tatay ko yung phone ng mama ko, guys. I think it's been a few weeks, a few weeks ago, nangyari yun. And then, my mom was very upset kasi hindi kami nagkukontakan. Alam niyo naman yung mama ko, guys. Like, all the time, palagi kaming, nagme-message, and video ko. Gusto niya makita si Paris, ganito, ganyan. Kaya, medyo sad siya nung nawala yun. Kaya, naisip ko, guys, na yun yung ibigay sa kanya sa birthday niya. So, pinabili ko yung sister Mimi ko ng fern, few days ago, tapos pinatago ko lang sa kanya, binigay sa mama ko kaninang umaga. Also, I sent konting cash guys para sa kanya kasi yung sister ko nag-organize pala siya ng bouquet na hindi siya bulaklak na bouquet guys. It's all chocolates and pinalagay ko na lang yung cash doon para siya na yung bahala kung ano yung gusto niyang bilhin or ano yung gustong gawin niya doon. Hindi naman kalakihan guys, but at least there's something for her because I really love her. And
Balon rana! Wala gid. Kwenta na yan tayo, nani. Hey, from ate. Ako isa ka kilintos ka na. Ako na nani? Ako isa ka kilintos. Ate. Salamat. Ito, Mayhon. Thank you. Ikaw na doon. Si Mike, salamat. Kenapa? Harap apply dan juga mama.
I miss her very much, guys. Like, yeah, you got no idea. It's been, you know, a while. Like, a couple years now na hindi kami nagsama. Oh, si Buntit, guys. Nagiging emotional na naman. Your tummy is hurting. Ayun, kumakain natin, baby girl, oh. Do you wanna come here for a cuddle? Oh, yes, please. Okay. Teka muna, guys. Kunin muna natin kaya magpa-cuddle daw siya. Yeah, have a look. Bubu. There's the blood.
Blood?
Yes. Mama's finger. Kiss Mama's finger. Thank you, princess.
Broken?
It's broken.
That.
Yung kuko kanina, guys, na broken, no?
Yeah, but
Yeah, what happened?
it's broken, but it's very pink.
It's pink now. Yeah, it's broken.
And there's
Give
bubbles.
Mama cuddle. Shush, careful. And by the way pala, guys, oh my God, hanggang ngayon hindi pa alam ng mama ko na pregnant aketch. Hindi ko pa nasabi sa mama ko, guys. Dapat sana kanina sabihin ko sa kanya kasi 'di ba sa ano ba ang tawag ito? Para sa birthday niya, sabihin ko yung news. Tapos naging busy na, guys. Kita nyo naman kanina kami na nakalabas kami, pumunta kami ng shops. And then ngayon wala naman sila, pumunta sila sa Binuangan, isa yung parang simbahan ba siya na para kailangan pa nilang biyahiin from our place. Kaya yun, so maybe tonight or maybe tomorrow, sabihin ko sa kanya, guys, I'm looking forward to see her reaction, guys, pag malaman niya na magiging lola na naman siya. Kasi sa family namin, guys, only si Mimi yung may alam kasi si Mimi lang yung sinabihan ko. Kanina nung nandun kami sa shops, pumunta ako ng Priceline. So, I bought a couple of things. So, first one na binili ko is this bio oil. Ito yung ginamit ko na oil, guys, for my tummy when I was pregnant with Paris. And, lucky, wala akong masyadong, guys, stretch marks. So, yeah. Again, kasi, di ba, pag lumobo na ang ating tiyan, it's very good na, we'll take care of our skin. And then, while I was there, bumili na rin ako nito. Real Techniques sculpting brush. So, parang niya dito, guys, pang contour niya ba. Kasi yung akin, it's still there, but hindi ko na siya type. Parang nakulangan na kasi yung mga niya, yung mga buhok-buhok niya ba. So, I wanted a new one. And then, this one's here, storage. Pumunta kami ng Bunnings. Daddy Mike bought these ones para sa mga, mga laruan ni Baby Paris. Kasi sobrang dami talaga, guys. We have to put them all away. Sabi ko nga kay Daddy Mike, hindi mo na namin i-open yung mga bago pa talaga. We'll get her to play the stuff na open na, kagaya nung ice cream niya, ganun. Yung kanyang sasakyan pala, guys, very messy, guys, pasensya na. Yung sasakyan niya, hindi pa umaandar kasi hindi namin alam kung paano. So, we might get someone like, professional ba to do all the batteries and all that. Kasi wala kaming alam, guys, ba. Natakot ako baka masira kapag buot-buot lang magtuplok. So, ngayon sa bedroom, guys, you know what? Pasensya na ang aking mukha. Sobrang haggard na haggard. Kasi nga pagkarating talaga namin ni Daddy Mike kanina, naglinis agad kami. Kaya yun. Honey girl! Are you Princess Paris?
No.
What are you then?
Auntie.
Ate! Not yet. Because they are going to somewhere. Later, I might tell her. Ay, shush! Budot snack, be? Toot, 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 toot. Careful na, kaya mataga ka rin. Move here.
Auntie.
Ay, here. Careful ka, mataga ka ba?
Poop,
Poop, poop, poop, poop, poop, poop, poop, poop.
I did it.
Did it, please, mommy. Ay, shush! Are you Ate Paris?
Yes.
Would you like a brother or a sister? Would you like a brother or a sister? Brother or sister?
Are you shy?
Hmm?
Brother or sister?
Brother.
Brother! Brother! Careful lang, mataga ka na. Hala, kiss na lang, baby, in the tummy na. Shush, kiss the baby in the tummy. Say, I love you. I love you. Oh, guys, you know what? It's nearly 8 o'clock ng gabi. And this baby girl kagabi, Daddy, we were sleeping already, and Paris was still on the phone.
When?
Last night.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I woke up and I was like, Paris, you're still on the phone. Careful na ka, mataga ka di anak. Kiat juday, kiat juday. Kiat juday. Oh.
Is this daddy?
No, it's clean. It's clean. You okay na? Anyways, guys, iyan na natin yung vlog dito ha. Kasi, late na. And we're gonna get Paris ready for bed. And also, guys, I'm feeling so tired now. And you know what? I still haven't taken my tablets yet. Hey, now, where's Mama's medicine? Where's Mommy's medicine? Yeah. Do you want to give Mama some?
Yes.
Si Paris pala yung aking doctor, guys. She's the one who's giving me the tablets during the night. Ayan. Kasi meron tayong tinitake na Elevate and also yung iron na tablet. Kasi low daw tayo sa iron, sabi ni Doc. Doctor! Wak-wak!
Mommy, get it.
Okay, Daddy. Mommy will get it. You gotta give me one. Hey, give me one.
Huh?
Open. Like this, see? Get that one. And give it to Mommy. Thank you, Dr. Paris. Thank you, Dr. Paris. Dugaya matangtang. Oy. Mama B.
Mommy.
Mama will help. Thank you. Thank you. How about the other one? Not that one, Nak. Other one, Nak. Where's the other one? Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, guys, for always watching our videos. Sa ating mga bagong subscribers, welcome sa ating channel. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. And before we close our vlog, we are going to do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to... Get Daddy to open it, please.
Daddy.
Emelita
Paris.
Gonzalez, Micah Bachinicha,
Okay.
ni Raot from Sabangan Waterfall, ang masilingan diha. Hello. Shout out to Gaygay Kalibod from Abuyog, Leyte. Shout out Queen Survivor TV, Freebid LJ, Ahwa Blar, Eliza Faith Ranke, Neil Rose Langkuyan. Shout out to Yvonne Bautista Vlogs, Hilaska, Tina Norman, Jeneline Lapinaw, Havar Susana 2020, Joran Owano, Mia Bumanlag, one only anak ha, Jonah Rees, Edita Kulibaw, Aniseta Principe, Leonesa Tabique, Nicole Colantes, and Gloria O'Malley. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up sana. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.
bye, Ate Paris.
Bye.